Today is August 22nd. This is the 1964 Cadillac DeVille Convertible tilt and telescopic steering wheel for my friend Chuck. This is a full level 10 restoration whereby the unit has been completely rebonded and colorized in the Cadillac two-tone discrete trim color. This includes all of the front face perimeter grip lines that were hand articulated. And I'll go ahead and turn the unit over. Absolutely beautiful. Designated as the tilt and telescopic steering column with the cancellation pin. And it includes the ornamental horseshoe trim pieces, two of which were missing originally, and of course the chrome trim caps that facilitate the connection between the spoke and the ring. So this is the 1964 Cadillac DeVille Convertible tilt and telescopic steering wheel two-tone for my friend Chuck in Florida. Today is Monday, August 22nd. This is George in Florida. I have over 375,000 original vintage 1959 to 1976 Cadillac items in my collection. I'm best known for my restoration of the Cadillac steering wheels, the tilt and telescopic steering columns, the power seat mechanisms, the instrument clusters, and other critical, hard-to-source, original vintage Cadillac items. Today is Monday, August 22nd. Thank you very kindly.